Hi farmers, this is depot and rabbitry, black Australorp at 5 months. Breeding stock, quantity 100 beds at 5 months. Now giving roadrunner breeder. Now I'm using roadrunner breeder. Thank you very much for your support. I love you all. Black Australorp, black Australorp, black Australorp. Depot and rabbitry. Look at the quality. Depot and rabbit quality meters. Black Australorp. Then this side we do have Sasso Trainbow at 5 months, upgrading and increasing breeding stock at depot and rabbitry. Sasso Trainbow at 5 months, quantity 100 beds, so there are 200 beds altogether. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you.